Solving equations. 3x plus 5 is equal to 11. This is part of the linear equation review. We need to subtract 5 from both sides. 3x is equal to 11 minus 5, which is 6, and divide both sides by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2. 2y plus 1.8 is equal to 4y minus 4.4. First, we subtract 2y from both sides. 1.8 is equal to 2y minus 4.4. Then we add 4.4 to both sides. We get 6.2 is equal to 2y. Now, the last step will be to divide both sides by 2, and we will isolate y. Y is equal to 3.1. We'll use distributive property to simplify the left side. 8 times m, 8m, and 8 times 5, 40. Now we subtract 40 from both sides. We obtain 8m is equal to negative 24. And when we divide by 8, when we divide both sides by 8, we get m equal to negative 3. Half of x plus 6 is equal to 10. First, we will subtract 6 from both sides. We get on one side x over 2 is equal to 4 over 1. When we cross multiply, 1 times x is x, and 2 times 4 is 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8. An equation with several variables is called a literal equation. They are frequently used in formulas. Now, for the first equation, we're going to solve t in terms of dr. We have d is equal to r multiplied by t. So we divide both sides by r, and t is equal to d divided by r. By the way, this is the formula for linear distance. The second example, we are solving for h. A over 1 is equal to bh over 2. We cross multiply, and 2a is equal to bh. Then we will divide by b, both sides. We obtain h is equal to 2a divided by b. By the way, this one was the formula for the area of a triangle. Ax plus b is equal to c. We are solving for x, therefore we subtract b from both sides. Ax is equal to c minus b. We divide both sides by a, and x is equal to c minus b over a. This is the equation of a linear function. And here's another equation of a linear function. We are solving for x. We add 4 to both sides. Y plus 4 is equal to 3x over 5. Y plus 4 over 1 is equal to 3x over 5. We cross multiply. 5 times y plus 4 is equal to 3x. Using distribution, we get 5y plus 20. 5 times 4, 20 is equal to 3x. Then we divide both sides by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 5/3 y plus 20 over 3, 20/3. Solve the little equations for the specified variable. Y is equal to 3x minus 4, and we're solving for x. We add 4 to both sides. Y plus 4 is equal to 3x. Then we divide both sides by 3, which is the same as dividing each term of the other side by 3. We obtain x is equal to 1/3 y plus 4/3. The second equation will be solved for c. Before we do anything else, we're going to distribute 4. To simplify the right side, 4 times a is 4a. 4 times negative 2b, negative 8b. And 4 times 8c is 32c. We're going to transpose 4 and negative 8b. First, we add negative 4a to both sides. Then we add 8b to both sides. Two a minus 4a, negative 2a. Negative 3b plus 8b, positive 5b is equal to 32c. We divide both sides by 32, and c is equal to negative 2a plus 5b over 32. C is equal to 5/9 times f minus 32. We're solving for f. We're going to write c over 1 is equal to 5 times f minus 32 over 9. When we cross multiply, we get 9c. And when we distribute, we get 5f minus 160. The next step will be to add 160 to both sides. And when we do, we get 9c plus 160 is equal to 5f. And when we divide both sides by 5, we get f is equal to 9c plus 160 divided by 5. We're gonna write a as a is equal to h over 2 times b1 plus b2. We're gonna write it as a over 1 is equal to h times b1 plus b2 over 2. When we cross multiply, we get 2a is equal to, and we distribute hb1 plus hb2. When we subtract hb2 from both sides, since we're solving for b1, 2a minus hb2 is equal to hb1. The last step is to divide both sides by h, and b1 is equal to 2a minus hb2 divided by h.